Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So it should be a quick one today. So Defiance finally updated their website with the IWMY information for the NAV discounts. So it was kind of weird. They never replied back to my tweets or any of my emails, but I guess as long as they got the message, I think that's fine. I'm not gonna go over this too much, and I still have haters, but I'm not sure why they're watching my videos, so that's still kind of weird to me, but whatever. Moving on, so JEPY and QQQY, we've already seen this. So they spent about 11% of the days at discount, so it's not much. Nothing has changed there. So IWMY, I'm surprised they never traded at a discount. But I mean, it's relatively new, so but that's actually a pretty interesting run. That for about 2 months, still no discounts. That's actually pretty impressive to me. So either a lot of people are buying into IWMY, or maybe it hasn't. I don't know, but for whatever reason, I guess like people like as soon as it reaches I guess the best you can do is maybe trade at like a fair price. There's only like one day where I trade at a fair price. I guess like people are over anxious and maybe chasing yield. I think that's the only reason I can think of. So that's pretty interesting to know. So I guess like you might be able to lower your cost basis, but I guess like for something like IWM, you have to be really patient. I mean, just looking at the graph again, like wow, it's kind of nuts. Like some people are really overpaying. Um, yeah, I guess that's the only thing I can think of. Like people just chasing yield. So anyway, I don't know how long these discounts will last. I mean, these are like even if you look at like Triple QY and JEPY, they only spent 11 days at a discount. So I guess like people are really snatching them up as soon as they come along. So I guess like when you see them at a discount or trading at a fair price, try to grab on while you can. And I guess like the only good thing about the Defiance is there's only three of them, whereas compared to like UMAX, there's a lot more. So it's not as I guess like for example UMAX, you have to like look at each fund every day and like look at the NAV versus like the closed discount. So there might be more opportunities with the UMAX funds, but for Defiance, since there's only three of them, it's easier to see like which ones are trading at a discount, and then like people are just like snatching them up. So that's probably another reason. But anyway, I hope you like this type of content. If you consider subscribing, that'd be greatly appreciated. I think I'm like it's really hard fighting the algorithm. So any help you can give, I greatly appreciate it. So thank you for watching. I hope people make some good money this year, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.